Today we're going to do the 1930s iconic Betty Boop. As you can see, I have already started by drawing 2 circles for her eyes and putting her iris with some highlights. Next we have her eyebrows and eyelashes, and then we go on to her very stylish hairstyle. As you can see, I'm trying to mark out where her eyebrows will go. That one's just above, and then the other one is just to the right of her, left of her, whichever. So welcome today to David's channel. I am David, and I welcome you if you're new here or if you're returning. I thank you for this. So this is her very stylish hairstyle she's got here. Very spiky and very curly, quiffs all over. Then at the bottom here we've got some earrings to put in. We're going on to her cheeks. I'm not going to do her lips, as I'm going to leave those till later on when I do the colouring in. I'll do those in red. And don't forget to put in her little cute nose. Just colour those eyes in so it makes it look a little bit more like her. Or a lot more like her. Onto her shoulders, and then we'll start on her dress. Making sure that we get her very slim figure. I always find that when I'm doing cartoon figures and their fingers, I think of those cheese puffs. That's the easiest way to sort of think about them sometimes. We get their fingers, she's now holding up her dress because she's got her garter she wants to show off to you. Do her other arm. This is giving us a thumbs up. Do her legs, showing up her thigh where her heart garter will be. doing her legs now, and with her very high stiletto red shoes. And then doing this side of her dress and her other foot, making sure that this other foot is lower than the other one because she's standing on this one. Coming over to the other side, we're finishing off her dress. So we're into the colouring now. I'm going to speed this up for you, and just so you know, I'm using obviously a black for her hair, and then onto her dress I will use a deep scarlet red, and we've got yellows for her jewellery, and the skin colour I'm using a Caran Dache Pablo Granite rose colour, which I find is very good for skin colours, especially for cartoons. And then with the red dress I've also used a blender to blend out those colours a bit more. Now if you enjoyed this, I thank you for viewing it, and if you like it, please hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That will really help the channel, and I'll hopefully see you in one of the next ones. Many thanks.